Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Chrissy K. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep myself for a new semester of nursing school. If my voice sounds a little off, it's because I've been super sick for the last couple of days. So I've just been trying to recover in the house, and the hurricane gave me time to have some downtime because my school gave us an extra week of break. They had like a big flooding issue and the school kind of had some damage. Today I'm going to be cleaning, organizing, getting my nursing bag together. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so first things first, I want to get rid of that rack right there with all of those wigs and stuff. I probably will be putting these up on my site because I really just want to get rid of them. There's nothing really wrong with them, I just don't wear wigs right now. I need to make my bed right here. Get rid of all of these clothes off the floor because that's a no-no. Shred these papers and clean up all of this stuff right here. Those stuff in the corner, those are like PR stuff that I need to like add to my own personal stuff. So yeah, let's get into cleaning my room. Before I start cleaning, I need to find some music that I want to listen to. Like, I usually like to listen to R&B. Y'all, this is my music thing. Literally, like, if you're a TikToker, you have this. They literally gave this to everybody. But let me see, is it charged? I feel like I want to listen to my mix of R&B, well, not R&B, but like music period is just like a little bit of everything. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just put it on shuffle because I really don't have like a preference today. Okay, yes, so we're just gonna leave it on shuffle. You there?
That's nuts, Lily.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas around me, ride and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just got a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart fly the phone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Alright y'all, so I pretty much got everything pretty much cleared away. I removed that. The clothes that was on the floor, we kind of did it away. I gotta put those in the washing machine, so I'm about to do that. Now I'm about to go in the bathroom and put those in organizers. I got these containers from Target. If y'all saw my last vlog, I got these containers. I feel like I'm gonna need more because I have like a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna just try to fill up what I can, and then I gotta go to the store anyway because I need to get some snacks and stuff like that for my bag, because I'm gonna go ahead and pack my bag for my nursing school bag. So let's move on to the bathroom. All right, y'all, so this is what I did this morning. I cleaned all my little brushes and I organized this. When I tell y'all that was looking a mess, this is all of like my hair products, like as far as like flat irons, curling irons, stuff like that is in that bag right there. So I need to get all of this under control. This is skincare, hair care, all of that stuff, facial stuff, all in this area. So I'm about to organize it the best way that I can. With these two trays, I feel like I'm gonna have to get more, so I'm probably gonna go out to the store and get some more so I can finish this project tonight because it needs to be done. But I just want to show y'all what I'm working with, so I'm about to just get all of this stuff done right now.
Fell in love, but that's okay, cause we in love. Oh my God, I fell in love with the love. Show me love, I give me love. Fell in love, I fell in love. I went in for the love. Show me love, show me love. Fell in love, I fell in love, and that's okay. I'm in love, we in that bed. Give me head, I want that, just to stay. Close your eyes, don't shed no tears.
Alright, y'all, so this is what it looks like now. I need to get one more bucket for like my combs and lotions and body washes and stuff like that. But so far so good. Everything looks clean now. All right, y'all, so listen, this whole day of me cleaning up, I've been in and out of watching this movie called A Jasmine's Blues on Netflix by Tyler Perry. And when I tell y'all, Tyler Perry has done it again. Like, this movie is so good. If y'all haven't seen it already on Netflix, y'all go check that out. If y'all watch anything on Netflix, drop it in the comments down below, because I'm always trying to find something new to watch, because y'all, I be bored sometimes. Like, I really be bored. But anyways, I just made it to CVS. I'm about to go inside here and get like a couple of snacks for my nursing bag and just drinks and stuff like that. I like to stock up on everything that I like to have when I'm in class before I start school, so I don't have to get it throughout. Of course, if I have to re-up, I go re-up, but I like to get a whole bunch before I start class. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get inside.
My nigga, we really poppin' this shit for real, nigga.
They didn't really have like a lot of stuff that I wanted, so I'm gonna just get this stuff because I'm not gonna force myself to buy anything and like go to another store. But I'm gonna show y'all what I put in my nursing bag later. Alright, guys, so I just got home from the store, and as promised, I'm going to be doing an updated what's in my nursing bag. But before I get into it, I hope you guys enjoyed that other segment of me cleaning and getting my life together, because I'm just happy I did it, because I feel more accomplished. Like, I feel like I could conquer the world at this point, because I'm organized as I've ever been in my entire life. Here's my bag. I have not changed my bag. I don't plan on changing my bag until I'm done with nursing school. I just feel like it's pointless and I don't need to spend unnecessary money. A couple of things have changed, not much, but a couple of things have changed. So when I first did my video, I wasn't really in clinicals like that, so I carried a lot more stuff. Now I try to carry stuff that's the most important, because I don't like to carry a lot of stuff with me, because this bag can get very heavy when you have too many items. And it's like, it's not a backpack. I'm literally carrying it on one arm, so it gets heavy. First things first, I have my planner. So the planner I had before, everybody was going crazy over. It was the one that was kind of like the Mean Girls Burn Book inspired planner. That one has been discontinued. The owner who sold that product, she no longer is selling that product anymore. I tried to reach out to her, and she said she's not bringing it back right now. So in the meantime, all of my girlies go to Target and get this planner. This is the one I got. I think it was about like $8 for this. I think this planner is pretty neat. It has everything that I need in it, honestly. You can plan everything, stickers, And this planner goes all the way up until 2023, and it's in the month of June, so it's gonna last me for the rest of the time that I'm in nursing school, plus more. So sorry you guys. I know y'all were like all in the comments like, how do I get this planner, how do I get this planner? Because literally I feel like I was like one of the last few people to order that planner off of Amazon, so I felt so bad because y'all really wanted it. But I will definitely be linking this planner in the description box, so if you guys want to purchase it, you can go ahead and purchase it. So this is off Amazon. This was actually sent to me, but if you guys want to purchase it, you can. It's literally like a little ball that picks up the crumbs in your bag. So I think it's pretty neat. It's caught some of my crumbs in my bag, so I think it works. And so how you clean it, you would take it out. I haven't taken it out yet, and then you'll wash the ball off, and then you can clean it, put it back in your bag. So I keep it in my bag because sometimes I have crumbs. Next, this is my personal bag. This bag has overgrown. Literally, it's gotten bigger, but I'm gonna explain everything that's in this bag. So first things first, I have hand sanitizer. I need to re-up on this, but this is literally like my favorite hand sanitizer. It's the Touchland hand sanitizer. Love it. I want to get the pink one. That's the one I'm trying to get. Next, I have my charger. I never leave home without my charger. This is like a must-have. I probably would leave my phone home before I leave my charger. Like, that's how serious it is, because you just need a charger. I know a lot of people may, it's like, what? Like, what? But, like, I literally never leave home without my charger. I have about, like, 3 or 4. I have pads and tampons. You always want to carry this. You never know any mistakes. You don't want any problems while you're at your clinicals, because you literally can't leave. They don't care if you're dying. So you want to make sure you always have these with you. Next, I have this Dossier perfume. I love this perfume. It's supposed to be like a dupe for the Tom Ford Cherry, and I feel like it really smells like it, so I carry this around instead of like my real expensive perfumes because I don't want to lose. Next, I have my lip glosses. I carry these. I probably shouldn't carry that many, but I just do. I have the Nivea in vanilla. Love this scent. And then I have Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and then I have the Laneige lip gloss as well. My AirPods, never leave home without these. I literally can't function without my AirPods. I have my mini native deodorant. I love it. I always use it. The coconut vanilla. You just, you know, just in case you may need it, because y'all, anybody that use these, y'all know that sometimes it does not last throughout the day, so you need to keep like a little refresher, and I always keep this with me. And lastly, I have like Pura wipes in here, and that's pretty much it for my personal bag. It is overloaded with stuff, but it's must-haves. I feel they are must-haves. So moving on, these are like my school supply stuff. I have some note cards. Don't really use these, but I always carry them anyway. I have my scissors, pen, highlighter, of course, always have that. And then lastly, I have my pen lights. Always carry these as well, because you never know when you're gonna need them, especially going to clinicals, because they're always trying to get you to do like head to toe assessments just to keep your mind fresh, so always keep that with you. Next, I have my stethoscope. I don't carry that little box that I used to have where we hold like the stethoscope and all that extra stuff, because I just felt like it was taking up too much space in my bag, so I stopped bringing it. So I literally just carry my stethoscope with me, and that's it. Next, I have my wallet. Of course, I always carry my wallet. I love this wallet. It's so cute. I want to get like a new one. I want to get like a YSL one, but we're working on that. And for snacks, so I always carry a Kind bar. I love these so much. They're my fave. I always have Starburst with me. Ask my classmates, they be like, Christiana always got like some Starburst or some little candies in her scrub. Also, on top of me having like little snacks, I will also have my Alani energy drink. I always carry an energy drink with me because my days are super long, so I always have an energy drink with me. I only carry my laptop when I'm actually going to class. I don't carry my laptop all the time, because when you're going to clinicals, you can't really use your laptop. You're literally just on the floor all day, so there's no need for a laptop. So that's one of the things that I just feel like is only necessary when it's necessary. So sometimes I leave it home, sometimes I don't. I'm really working on getting an iPad. So once I get an iPad, I feel like I will always have my iPad with me. But until then, like, my laptop is way too heavy sometimes to carry, so I like to just keep it home if I'm not really using it. So that is the end of what's in my bag. My bag is pretty light now. I don't carry too much stuff in it anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs this video up and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.